Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to increase stitches for your sweater sleeves. So here I am making a sweater and here is the sleeve for that. First of all, I will tell you what I have made so far. I have made rib of 2 inches, 1 by 1 rib, and after that I have started my increases. So I am increasing every 4th row. Like after making this rib, I have knitted 3 rows of stockinette stitch and made 4th row the increase row. Okay, so now I will show you how to increase. So I am starting this row from here. First of all, knit 2 stitches. After that, make an increase here. So what you have to do is insert the needle from the top into this straight line that you can see. Insert the needle and take the stitch on second needle from top only. Okay, now knit this stitch from the back loop. Knit it, and here we have increased the stitch. Now knit all the stitches till 2 stitches are left on your needle. As you can see that 2 stitches are left on my needle, so here I will make another increase. In this line I will insert the needle from top and catch the stitch on the other needle from top only. Okay, then knit it from the back loop. And then knit. So here my increase row is complete. Now for some extra information, I am knitting a sweater, men's sweater, and I have casted on 54 stitches. I will increase it till 90 stitches and then do a stockinette stitch for around 20 inches length. Okay, so yes, so my yarn is quite thick, so I am putting increase every 4th row. But if your yarn is thin, then you can also put increase on every 2nd row, because you will need more number of stitches to get the required width of your round. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful to you.